If you walk through almost any park, housing estate, shopping center, office complex, or public space, you'll notice something very strange. There's a perfectly good path that somebody spent time designing, surveying, and paving. Yet, right beside it, there's often another path cutting right through the grass. Nobody planned for this path. Nobody drew it on a plan or a blueprint. Nobody paid to build it. And yet, hundreds, maybe even thousands of people seem to agree that it's the better route. Engineers and planners actually have a name for these unofficial paths. They're called desire lines. And the name is surprisingly fitting. These paths reveal where people actually want to walk, not where someone else expected them to walk. At first glance, they look like people being impatient, lazy, or simply ignoring the rules. But look closer and something interesting emerges. It's really just one person taking a shortcut. It's hundreds of people, all making the same decision independently, without talking to one another. They've somehow agreed that this route is shorter, it's easier, or it simply makes more sense. People naturally look for the quickest route, the gentlest slope, or the path that gets them where they're going with the least amount of effort. And when enough people agree on the same route, they leave behind evidence. The grass disappears, the soil becomes compacted, and eventually an entire new path appears, almost as if people are collectively drawing their own map. Of course, not every desire line should become a permanent path. Sometimes there are good reasons for keeping people on the paved route. Safety, accessibility, drainage, or protecting landscaping. And sometimes people even try to fight desire lines with fences, with bushes, and with other types of barriers. But when the same shortcut keeps appearing year after year, again and again, even after barriers are installed, it raises an interesting question. Did people ignore the design, or did the design ignore the people? Because here's what makes desire lines fascinating. Some planners don't fight them at all, they embrace them. Instead of paving pathways immediately, they build the houses, the offices, or the public spaces first and simply watch where people naturally choose to walk. They watch where the grass begins to disappear. They watch where informal trails start to form. And only then do they install the permanent walkways. Because sometimes the smartest design isn't the one imagined in an office. It's the one thousands of people accidentally designed together.